Okay, Geometry Chapter 12, Section 2. I'm sure as you're taking a look at the title of this, Volume of Pyramids, you're wondering the, the thing that has crossed my mind many a times, and that is if we took the top of um, one of the great pyramids, we took the top off, how much Dr. Pepper could we fit in that thing? And I know that's just on your mind. However, we're not going to do that one, but we'll do a couple more. Maybe you weren't thinking that. Maybe it's just me. Okay, guys, so the area, finding the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Now, I'm going to go over here and see if I can find a good pyramid. If I remember, I wasn't really happy with them last time, but we'll see. Whoop, there they were. Just went right past them. And so I'm going to go with that one. I'll go with the Pentagon. Okay, so here we have a pentagon on the bottom. And let's say that, it's a regular pentagon. So let's say that each of the sides is 5 feet. And then the height, again, remember that this is not slant height. This is actual height, which is going to be drawn perpendicularly to the center of the actual pentagon right there. And let's say that they give us that. And let's go, and that's 12 feet. Now, obviously, we're going to get into some where they're not going to give us that height, and maybe we have to find the apothem, and then we extend it out to the slant height, and then we use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's absolutely a possibility, but we're just going to go with the basics here, and we're going to go through a little bit more in class. And so I've got a volume that's going to equal 1/3. Now I have to find the area of that pentagon. And so let's do this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put my height in there as 12. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to kind of take this pyramid out and make it take the pentagon out, make it two-dimensional. And so this is going to be, each one of these is going to be 5. So now I will use some apothem knowledge. Remember that this is going to be 2.5. And then I'm going to create a triangle here. And I need to know this side right here. So remember that a pentagon has 5 sectors. So we're going to take 360 and divide it by 5. And so that's going to end up being, let's see, 72, which makes this angle right here 36. And we've kind of dealt with this one before. Some of you could probably look back in your screencast and find the answer to this. But we're going to go ahead and set it up and do a tangent. We're going to do the tangent of 36 equals opposite over adjacent, which is going to be 2.5 over x. And so I'm going to get this done here. And so that comes out to be approximately 3.4. Excuse me. Okay, so to find the area of that, we know we're going to do 1/2 of the apothem times the perimeter. So if each side is 5, then the perimeter is going to be 25. So I'm going to take my answer that I just created times 25. and then I'm going to divide it by 2, and I come out with the area of the base to be approximately 43. And that's going to be 43 square feet. And that's area. So I'm going to bring that over here, and I have 1/3 of 43 times 12. So I'm going to take that times 12 and then divide by 3. And I come up with a volume of 172 cubic feet. And so that is volumes of pyramids. Volume equals 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. So that's about 6 minutes, chapter 12, section 2.